Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good, wherever you're tuning in from. In case it's your first time seeing this beautiful fat face, my name is Michelle, aka Mama and Kids. You're welcome to my lovely channel. Thank you so much, our returning subscribers. God bless you, real good. I'm sincerely grateful for your patronage, okay? Yeah, if I should say that, I'm sincerely grateful from my heart. And to first timers, you're welcome. Sit back, enjoy with us. This channel has a lot to offer, okay? So guys, it's 12 midnight. Yeah, you heard me right. 12 midnight. The kids are asleep and this is the time I'm just going to do this and do it without distractions. So hopefully you get to hear me very well because I'm not going to shout. Please. So guys, I ordered this from Amazon. Guess what is inside? I've not opened it. I know what I ordered, but I've not opened it. So we're just going to do the unboxing right in front of the camera together. Okay, so I ordered this microphone. I've not used it before, but I saw someone. I was watching a video on YouTube, and then so this person was using a microphone. So at the point it went off, and there was a huge difference. That was when I said, no, Michelle, you need to get this. So I ordered this from Amazon and it came this evening. So let's do the unboxing together. This will actually be my first unboxing. So let's do it. What am I doing? I just tested. So I'm not supposed to tear this from here. I'm just supposed to go here in case of any return. Okay. It's actually supposed to be neatly done. I hope there will be no issues. Okay. Well, the package is still kind of intact. In case I want to return it. It will be good I don't tear it, so I don't get to buy a new package, a new envelope. So it's empty right now, and this is a microphone. This will be my first time. I don't really know much. I just chose a random microphone. I went through people's what do you call it? I know what people have to say about the product. Okay, good, you can see it now. And then made a random choice. What's this? Game Pro. Has anyone used it? What do you have to say about this product? This is made in China. I hope it will give a good service. I'm actually supposed to use the scissors to do this, but I'm not standing up from here right now. Here comes the microphone. And okay. What's falling off? I guess this is the manual. Okay. And this is our microphone. So we'll go ahead. I guess we have to plug this on the phone. Okay, and this is the pin, the clip rather. Yeah, this is the clip. And now our microphone. Does this work? Something is stuck right in there. Okay, the charger. It has this cable and a little pouch, I guess, for putting it. There's nothing else in the pack, so this is a pouch. Oh, that's good. It has a pouch where you pack the microphone, and the accessories. That's good. Okay, let's give a microphone a trial. So let's give it a try. I guess we need to plug this to the phone. So guys, I'm so angry now. Like very angry. This is not working. It looks like I ordered the wrong microphone. So I'm supposed to plug this by the side of the phone. Yeah. I'm supposed to plug this just by the side of it. Oh, see what I mean? But it looks like I'm supposed to plug it, but it looks like this is for iPhone. It doesn't work with Samsung, and I'm using Samsung. So with iPhone, it's worked. See, it's worked. But it's not working with Samsung, and that's the biggest challenge we're having right now. It looks like I'm going to return this back to Amazon. It's not fun. I thought I just, I've been celebrating. I got a microphone, but unfortunately, this is not going to work with that phone. So I'm just going to send it back because it doesn't have any meaning keeping it here where I can't use it. So I'll send it back to Amazon and probably look for one that will be compatible with my phone. Please, if you know anyone that I can use with Samsung, please recommend for me in the comment section. Okay, any headphone or microphone, sorry, this kind of microphone that works with Samsung, please recommend for me. I'll be so grateful. I'm so not happy now. I thought I was going to try it out this night and see what it looks like, but it turns out I can't. It turns out I can't do that. 1 minute I was happy. The next minute, no. Well, I'm happy anyway. It's a lesson. It's just learning that it's not all the microphones that works with Samsung. Well, life is all about learning, right? So I'm going to send it back to Amazon and look for one that will be compatible with my phone. Hey guys, I'm just going to go to bed right now because it's late already. This is past 1 a.m. Alright guys, I don't want this video to be longer than it is already. I'll just have to go to bed right now. Thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share out if you can, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. I love you.